Welcome to part 9 of my Planet Defense game series. In this tutorial, we're building a complete game step by step using Phaser 4. You'll find the full playlist linked in the description. And that brings us to the end of our Planet Defense game course. Let's take a moment to recap everything we've built together. We started with a blank Phaser 4 project, and gradually added features step by step. First, we added our planet sprite, and created a player's ship that orbits around it using polar coordinates. Then we added input so our players could rotate our ship around our planet and shoot our bullets outward. After that, we brought the action to life by spawning enemies that moved toward the Earth from all directions. We handled collisions, added a score system, and built the logic for enemy destruction. Once the core gameplay was solid, we implemented Earth damage and game over mechanics, so if too many enemies get through, the Earth takes damage and the game ends. Finally, we polished everything up with a user interface, score display, health indicators, screen shake effects, background music, and multiple scenes like a title screen and game over screen. If you made it this far, congratulations! You now have a complete, fun, arcade defense game built entirely with Phaser 4. You can take what you learned here and extend it even further. You could try adding in power-ups, different types of enemies, mobile support, high scores with local storage, or even additional scenes for your game, such as instructions, options, or a credit scene. Thanks so much for following along with the course. If you enjoyed this, please consider giving the video a like, leaving a comment to let me know what you built, and subscribing for more game dev content. See you in the next video, and happy coding!